Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Assembly Modeling lesson. Click on New, select the assembly template and click OK. Close the open dialog and cancel the Begin Assembly command. Select the Options command and click on Document Properties. Change the drafting standard and set the units to inches with 3 decimal places. Click OK and use the Save As command. Set the Save As type to Assembly Template. Type the template name, browse to the Templates folder and save the template. Close the assembly template when done. Click on New Document. Select the My SOLIDWORKS Templates tab, select the new assembly template and click OK. In the Open dialog, browse to the Parts folder, select the housing, activate the machine configuration and click Open. Use the Hide Show command to make the origins visible. Click to locate the housing in the origin and hide the origins. In the Assembly tab, click on Insert Component. Select the side cover with the machined configuration and open it. Click in the screen to add the side cover to the assembly. Click and drag it if needed. In the Assembly tab, click in the Mate command. Select the cylindrical faces indicated, select the concentric mate and click OK. If needed, drag the side cover away from the housing. Select the holes faces, add a concentric mate and click OK. Use the Select Other command. Select the side cover's rear face and the housing's face. Add a coincident mate and click OK. Click OK to finish the mate command. Expand the mates folder to see the mates added. Click on Insert Component. Add a second side cover using the machine configuration. Click to locate the side cover in the assembly and drag it to the other side of the housing. Rotate the view and right-click and drag to rotate the side cover as shown. Click on the Mate command, select the faces indicated, add a concentric mate and click OK. Using the magnifying lens, select the small faces and add a concentric mate. Select the flat faces shown and add a coincident mate. Click OK to finish the Mate command. Review the mates added in the Mates folder. Click on Insert Component, select the worm gear shaft and add it to the assembly. Click on the worm gear shaft and select Appearance from the context toolbar. Select a new color and click OK. Select the side covers, assign a new color and click OK. Right-click on the shaft and select Move with Triad. Click and drag the manipulator handles to orient and locate the shaft. Hold down the Control key, select the two cylindrical faces indicated, and click on Concentric in the context toolbar. Hold down the Control key, select the two flat faces, and add a coincident mate from the context toolbar. Click and drag the shaft to rotate it. Select Insert Component, add the worm gear part, locate it in the assembly, move to locate it, and change its color. Right-click on the worm gear, select Move with Triad and locate it approximately as shown. Click on the Mate command, select the assembly's front plane, the worm gear's front plane, and add a coincident mate. Click OK to finish. Click on the housing and select Hide Component from the context toolbar. Hold down the Control key, select the two cylindrical surfaces and add a concentric mate. Move the shaft and gear to review their range of motion. Hold down the Control key, select the two flat faces from the shaft and gear and add a parallel mate. Select the housing in the Feature Manager and click Show Component, or click on Show Hidden Components, select the housing and click Exit Show Hidden. Use Insert Components to add the offset shaft located in the assembly and change its color. Hold down the Control key, select the two cylindrical surfaces and add a concentric mate. Drag the shaft to see the range of motion. Hold down the Control key, select the two flat faces and make them coincident. Add the top cover to the assembly. Locate it approximately as shown. And change its color. Select the two cylindrical faces and add a concentric mate. Move the cover. Select the two flat faces and add a coincident mate. Finally, select the two side faces and add a parallel mate to finish.